Always gotta double check. Yo, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's currently like 1:30 in the morning. I have to work in the morning in like a couple hours actually. $35, 14 gallons. Not too bad. Anyways, I'm about to flash a 93 octane tune. So I'm out here filling up with 93 on the Accord. Whenever you use KTuner and you have a bunch of mods and you want to get the most out of those mods, so you install KTuner. That's what we're doing right now. We're out here trying to get some data logs so we can send them over to Eric Nelson over at SlickFab so he can send us a revised map, I guess you could say, a refined map of KTuner for the 8th generation Accord. So we're out here getting some data logs, 1:30 in the morning. I gotta be up for work in less than 4 hours. We're out here grinding. The grind doesn't stop. Thank you to Diana for helping tonight, getting some data logs. Any 8th gen Accord owners, I highly recommend picking up KTuner if you have mods and you want to extract the most out of those mods. If you're 8th or 9th generation Accord owner, I highly recommend picking it up from SlickFab, because SlickFab will highly recommend. So I'm gonna go ahead and install the 91 octane tune. Gonna get some data logs and we'll send them to Eric. Hopefully we get a refined tune tomorrow. I'm really excited. That's why I'm not asleep yet, because I just want to get this done ASAP. Maybe it'll turn it into a 5-second car. We'll see. She has a flu. She has coronavirus. Flash, do not disconnect. Flash successful. Click OK to continue. Okay. Let's hope it doesn't explode. You are? A skunk? Oh, you farted, didn't you? You got scared and you farted. What up, y'all? Back home from getting data logs. It is now about 2:30. We made a stop by Walmart to get some stuff for Diana because she's sick.
I'm not sick, it's allergies.
She has a coronavirus.
Don't say that. Freak out. Where's your wallet?
Can't wait to get those refinements on the KTuner OTS map life. Diane and I are always very competitive. I win. I win.
You're stupid.
I win. Diana always loses. If you're not first, you're last, baby. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and get some shut-eye. And I'll see y'all tomorrow. Peace. Alright everybody, so apparently staying up all night was pointless because it took like 10 days to get the tune back. I'm gonna go ahead and install it now. I can't wait. I'm really excited to see how much difference the rev hang delete makes, because the rev hang in this car is freaking terrible. 6-speed Accord owners, I'm sure you know what I'm talking about. I'm gonna go ahead and install it right now and I'll get back to you. LJ Tune 1, Rev 1. Let's go, baby. Boop. It's basically like jailbreaking your car. All right, tune is flashed. So wait a few seconds to turn it back on. Flash successful. Click OK to continue. Okay. Let's go get some test runs. Yo, it's late at night. Sorry, neighbors. Just out here trying to get some work done. Yo, this rev hang delete is like hella different. Just the rev hang delete alone makes a huge difference so far, I've noticed, man. I gotta get used to catching this a lot faster, catching the drop a lot faster. Different. It's freaking awesome. I love it. Thank you, Slick Fab. Yo, throttle sensitivity and rev hang delete, this is a huge difference. It's very, very noticeable. It's freaking awesome. It makes my car feel so much faster. Awesome. I love it so much. Huge, huge, huge shout out to Eric at SlickFab. Thank you for fixing this tune for me, man. It was definitely worth the wait. It pops a lot more now too. Yo, so I just got back from test driving the Accord after the new tune, after the updated refined tune from SickFab. Dude, I don't know what you did, man, but it's amazing. Thank you so much, SickFab. Cause like even when I first installed the tune, right, I was like, okay, I still don't really notice anything. I installed the pre-cat deletes, I didn't notice anything. I installed the exhaust, didn't notice anything. I installed the J-pipe, didn't notice anything. I installed the short ram intake, didn't notice anything. But and then I installed the KTuner, the 91 tune out of the box. Still didn't notice anything. But then when SickFab sent me the refined tune and I just came back from the test drive, there is a huge difference. Okay, the car, it backfires way more than it used to. It backfires more than the STI, and it's like 100 times faster. And the rev hang delete makes a huge difference as well. So huge shout out to SickFab. Anybody looking to get more out of their Accord, I highly recommend picking up a KTuner from SickFab. Thank you guys so much, I really appreciate it. Well, that's pretty much gonna do it for today's video, guys. Thanks for tuning in today. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. If you like today's video, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. It'll really help out my channel a lot. And thanks for tuning in today. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see y'all next time. Peace.